Hello children. Today in English Balbharti Standard 4th, we are going to see question answers of lesson number 27, The Dreadful Guest. First of all children, tell me what is the meaning of the dreadful? Dreadful means unpleasant. Unpleasant means what? Someone whom you don't like or very disastrous, somebody who is not so good, somebody who is so bad. Okay, that is called as dreadful guest. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, बिन बुलाए मेहमान, खराब मेहमान. सो इट इज सेम हियर इन इंग्लिश. ओके, आप लोगों ने लेसन तो पढ़ा ही होगा एंड स्टोरी तो मालूम ही होगी आपको. और अब हमको करना है क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ द लेसन द ड्रेडफुल गेस्ट. चिल्ड्रन, what is the story? Do you remember it? There was a boy called Yvonne and a dragon, right? Yes. So rest of the story I hope you all remember. So let's not waste much time and start with the question and answers. Give meanings. पहला question है give meanings. Dreadful means causing fear. Here in the context of the lesson, dreadful means causing fear. Now, second is banquet. Banquet means a large formal meal for many people. Banquet hall सुना होगा आप लोगों ने? Yes. So that is what it is. जब जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए खाना बनाया जा सकता है, स्पेस बड़ा होता है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ banquet. Burst into. The third meaning is burst into. Entered a palace suddenly and noisily. ओके, बर्स्ट इनटू मतलब कहीं भी जोर से और अचानक से पहुंचना, एकदम आवाज़ करते हुए, तो उसको कहते हैं बर्स्ट इनटू. जैसे कि आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो और सडनली योर पेरेंट्स बर्स्ट इनटू योर रूम. ओके, अचानक से आवाज़ करते हुए आपके रूम में आते हैं, तो ये होता है बर्स्ट इनटू. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज स्पाइक. स्पाइक अपने बाल की हेयर स्टाइल, स्पाइक्स बनाते हैं बॉयज़ मोस्टली, राइट? So it is like a narrow thin shape with a sharp point at one end. Okay, it's a narrow shape with a sharp point at one end. जैसे कि कांटा हो गया. ओके, कांटे जैसा पॉइंटेड होता है स्पाइक. ग्लोबल मीन्स टू eat food fast. I think it should be gobble, not global. Okay, to eat food fast. Fumes means strong, unpleasant, and sometimes dangerous gases or smoke. Fume, धुआं. Okay, harmful धुएं को fume बोलते हैं. So here strong, unpleasant, and sometimes dangerous gases or smoke. Smother. What is the meaning of smother? To kill someone by covering their face so that they cannot breathe. किसी को ऐसे सांस रोक देना उसका. ओके, किसी की सांस रोक के उसको मार देना इज कॉल्ड एज स्मॉथर. नेक्स्ट इज ड्रैगन. ड्रैगन मालूम ही है, इट्स एन एनिमल. इट्स एन इमेजिनरी एनिमल. ओके, इट्स डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन रियलिटी. अ लार्ज एंड फियर्स इमेजिनरी एनिमल. It must have existed in the past ancient time, but now there is nothing called as dragon. Okay, so that is why we are calling it as imaginary animal. Now the next is spoil sport. Now who is called as a spoil sport? A person who stops other people from enjoying themselves. कोई ऐसा जो आपको enjoy नहीं करने देता है. ओके, हमेशा आपके कबाब में हड्डी बन जाता है. एक्चुअली हिंदी वर्ड इसके लिए होगा कबाब में हड्डी. अगर आप कहीं पार्टी में जाते हो सपोज़, और कोई ऐसा पर्सन आ जाता है जिसको आप पसंद नहीं करते हो, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? स्पॉइल स्पोर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, सपोज़ आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहीं घूमने का प्लान बनाते हो और उसमें कोई ऐसा आ जाए जिसको आप बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करते हो, तो वो हो जाएगा स्पॉइल स्पॉट. ओके, समवन हुम यू डोंट एन्जॉय. किल जॉय. A person who interfere in other people's fun. It is called as killjoy. Killjoy किसको बोलते हैं? जो दूसरे की मस्ती मजाक में घुसने की कोशिश करता है. Okay, that person is called as killjoy. Okay, now how many meanings were there total? 10. फाइन चिल्ड्रेन, आई होप आपको सारे 10 के 10 मीनिंग्स समझ में आए हो. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द मैच द पेयर्स. Rich, merchant. So here there are some adjectives given in this. Okay, you have to complete the adjective related to the lesson. Let's see whichever adjectives has come there. So rich, merchant, important people, mean creature, grand feast, brave warrior, wicked smile, dreadful guest, silly fool. So all these are adjectives and these are the nouns. Okay, which are the nouns here? 1 minute children. This one is adjective and this one is noun. Punctuate the following sentences. Children, we are doing grammar. Okay, this is a grammar part. You must have heard punctuation before in grammar, or you must have already studied. Okay, are you ready? What mistake you see here? A is small, so A we will write capital. Always a sentence starts with a capital letter, and then at the end there will be a question mark. Why? Because it's a question. And then it is said by somebody, so it is a statement. And so whenever there is a statement, we use double inverted commas. Okay, children? So this way we have to punctuate. What a rude, impolite creature you are. Now same thing, पहला जो small letter है उसको capital करेंगे. Okay. Now here you see there are two words joined, sentences you can say joined together. So there will be a comma in between, and at the end there is exclamation mark. This mark is called as exclamation mark. Where do we use it? Because here what a is given. So always with what a, how a, we use exclamation mark. Nobody has taught you many manners. Any manners I can see. So same way, double inverted commas and then full stop at the end. Okay. Now, how shall I kill you, you silly fool? Question mark and then double inverted commas. Why we are using double inverted commas? Because they are all dialogues. Okay, they are dialogues of someone. So always it will be written like that. Now last is answer the following questions, children. Okay, very simple and easy. Where did the story take place? The answer of this is in the first paragraph itself. Very easy. The story took place in Russia. Who was not afraid of dragons? Dragons से कौन नहीं डरता था? There was a brave warrior, Ivan, who was not afraid of dragons. एक बहादुर सिपाही, Ivan, he was not afraid of dragons. Who burst into the banquet hall? कौन अचानक से प्रकट हो गया banquet hall में? A huge and horrible looking dragon burst into the banquet hall. What did Ivan know about dragons? Ivan को dragons के बारे में क्या मालूम था? Ivan knew that dragons were dreadful but not intelligent. Okay. So Ivan के ये मालूम था कि dragons बहुत खतरनाक दिखते हैं. Okay. वो ऐसे हैं, डरावने होते हैं, पर उनके पास दिमाग नहीं होता है. सो इसी बात का फ़ायदा इवान ने उठाया और ड्रैगन को आसानी से मार दिया. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, एंड नाउ योर एग्जाम्स आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कम वेरी सून in this month only. We are going to have exam at the end. So all the best to all my loving and dear students. I know you all will do very good in your exams. Keep learning, keep studying, and create a good future. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.